In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock items in your Miro board. Locking items in Miro is a useful feature that helps you keep your designs organized and prevents unintentional changes by collaborators. Whether you're using Miro for brainstorming, project planning, or even design sprints, this feature is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your board's content. So, let's dive right in and learn how to do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to Miro by opening up your browser and typing in miro.com. Once there, click on Boards, which you'll find in your Miro dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your available boards. Choose the board you're working on by clicking on it. This will bring up your board in the main workspace area where you can carry out all your edits and customizations. Now that your board is open, navigate to the specific item you want to lock. This could be anything from an image, a sticky note, or even an entire frame. Once you've found the item, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. Among the options available, you'll notice the lock option. Click on this, and just like that, your item is locked in place. This means it can no longer be moved or altered, protecting your content from any accidental changes during collaborative sessions. But what if you have multiple items you need to lock simultaneously? Miro has made this just as straightforward. You'll simply need to click and drag to highlight all the items you want to lock. This action will select all the items within your selected area. Once your items are highlighted, look for the toolbar that appears at the bottom of your screen. You'll find the lock icon there, clearly marked. With one click, all the items you've selected will be locked, ensuring your board remains organized and your content stays intact. Locking items in Miro is an excellent way to save time and avoid the frustration of unwanted edits. It's especially useful in team settings, allowing collaborators to focus on their tasks without worrying about accidentally altering elements. If you ever need to unlock an item, the process is just as easy as locking it. Simply right-click again and choose Unlock, or highlight and unlock them from the toolbar. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. By following these simple steps, you'll be well equipped to effectively manage your Miro boards and safeguard your valuable content. Feel free to explore more features in Miro and take your board organization to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.